In this lesson, we will be talking about two, and two. You have probably messed up on these words before. Some people get confused with two, and sometimes two. These three words are homophones. They are two or more words that have the same sound but have different meanings. The first one is two. Two means expressing emotion in the direction of a particular location. You might use this in the if you send a letter to someone. An example is, I'm going to send a letter to my aunt. The second one is two. Two means many things. One of them is a higher degree than what is desirable. You might use this if someone was going too fast. An example is, she went too fast and got pulled over. The third one is two. This is a number you might use this. This is a number. You might use this to add something. An example is, there are two animals in the shelter. There are many homophones in the world, but these are three of them. Bye.